this is Brittany down at Subaru Puyallup. Just wanted to showcase how you can use your hands-free power rear gate on some of the trim levels on the 2023 Outback. So to activate it, really you just push the button. So right now it is pushed in, which means that it is off. In order to activate it, we go ahead and push out, and then you're able to see a gray line at the top indicating that it is on. So we want to make sure that our key is on person. Of course, then all you have to do is hover your hand over the Subaru emblem, and then it will go ahead and open like so. So that's going to be how you can use the hands-free power rear gate on the 2023 Outback. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruPuyallup.com.